Hi, last video of the night, because I thought this was kind of interesting. I haven't seen this at all, but hubby found it. This is called Tic Tac Toy. Let's see. Yeah, Tic Tac Toy is the name on the front with the registered number. But it's got YouTube stuff written on the back of it. I've got no idea. Never heard of it, never seen it, don't know anything about it. But we're going to break into it. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm not sure if there's something supposed to be down in here, because that says that there's 8 surprises in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're just going to cut right into it. It says there's supposed to be 2 friends, 3 wings, 1 accessory, 1 putty, and 1 putty cutter. Okay. I don't even know how to get into this. This is supposed to be for a 3-year-old. Let's see, a 3-year-old could not break into this at all. Okay. I have breached the paper, or the plastic, however they say it, just being goofy. I've opened up 3 other products tonight. 2 other products, this is being the 3rd. Reason being, okay, here we go. I'm going to take out an X. That's how they've done it. Tic Tac Toy. It's not really where you play the game. I don't understand the idea between Tic Tac. It doesn't say anything about playing the game. Actually, could be like a little advent calendar. Okay. Something very hard is in here. Okay, I think I have a putty. I think I have a putty. Have you ever heard about this stuff before? Ooh, this is a different kind of putty. Yeah, that's some crazy putty, isn't? Okay, I can hang with some putty, but I gotta put it back in here somehow. He's gonna start to snore over there. Okay, that's cool. Like I said, I just got done opening up 2. Okay, these are stuck together. Here's another one. You pop it through the front. And this is the letter O. There might not be anything in here, or it might be the smallest of things. I have learned that the hard way when I was opening up a tiara for a Barbie doll for somebody. Oh my goodness, we were looking and looking. Wait till you see how small some of this stuff is. Okay, this is supposed to be a wing cookie cutter. Okay, very interesting so far. Let's put this. I've already lost the other one. Okay, put that up there. Okay, so this is hooked together. This is hooked together. But you still punch out. You still punch out the X and O. So, there is 2 things in here. This is a bigger one from Tic Tac Toy. Oh, this is really cute. It's a little bit bigger and it's not solid, but it doesn't make a squeaky noise. But she's really cute, big eyes. Look at that. One of the easier ones to be seen on so far. I've gotten new equipment. Santa Claus blessed me. Santa Claus blessed me very well. Very, very well. And I hope Santa Claus blessed you as well. Here's another thing. It's a set of wings. So what we can do is put the set of wings on her. So far. And we've got cookie cutters and putty. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I got addicted to these surprise bag things. You know, it's not much further off than baseball cards. When the boys all went crazy for baseball cards. Okay, they gave me another option of white or blue wings. White or blue wings. And I think that's it for that one. Okay, here we go. Here comes another one. This is supposed to be what? Okay, this is supposed to be her friend. Her friend, her friend. Okay. Ooh, this is big. I tell you what, people, I am tired. We had a good Christmas. Here's a friend. Little bunny. Again, it's hollow. A little bit bigger. Okay. I don't have their list. I don't do the check-off list. I just don't do that. I don't know why. It's not really all that important to me. What is this? It's a little umbrella. Oh my goodness. It's a tiny little umbrella. But I don't know who's supposed to hold the umbrella. I don't know. And then there's nothing in here. This by far was the cutest. This was very, very cute. Like I said, tic-tac-toe. Tic-tac-toe, whatever word it is, tic-tac-toe. And then here. So, yeah, that was good. That was very good. Oh, and the putty. And the putty cutter. The cookie cutter from the putty. So, definitely, yes, that was a good bunch of little stuff. So, if you've ever heard of these before, or haven't heard of these things before, do the little online down here and subscribe and the bell and the comment. I will answer anybody. Ask a question. Ask me what sign I am. Subscribe. Do all that crap that goes with it. And that'll be my next thing that I'm going to try. I'm still going to keep collecting them. They just make them easier to collect. But, I'm going to crack clay. And he don't care. Alright, goodbye.